Welcome back, everybody. All right. So there's a couple of things we can do here. First of all, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to delete these tags here. And, just so that I can show you, what's going on here. Now, another thing you can do, another tags you can do, EM, which is, essentially emphasize. It, again, makes it more italic. You can make it strong, which is essentially, bold. What you can also do is you can call sub, which puts it underneath, and then SUP to superimpose the text. You can also put a strike through, and you can put just like that. All right, now of course, all of those tags need a closing tag. I was just doing that to show you what you can also do. So why don't you go ahead and what I want you to do is set up maybe 2 or 3 paragraph tags. I just want you to play around with the text as much as you possibly can. Because remember, when you're programming, you want to do and you want to experiment, you want to try, and you want to do pretty much, well, anything other than just listen and forget about it. You just want to go and try it as much as you can. All right? I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.